Hi, my name is Chaitanya Patke and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am very happy in this match. So we are going to analyze the 10th match that took place between RCB and KKR at Chepauk yesterday. 3 wins out of 3 for RCB. So first time in their history. Great going, guys. Please continue this sort of form. We will analyze the RCB innings first of all. Rajat Patidar disappointed once again his second chance. Virat Kohli also got out, but I think to Varun Chakravarti. So after 8 runs in 2 overs, 2 wickets were falling. So I had not much expectation from this match. Virat Kohli tried to play a good stroke. His intention was alright, but didn't connect it. And we should also give credit to Rahul Tripathi. That was a magnificent catch. But then there was Maxwell and AB show. Maxwell played cautiously at the start, and then after he got his eye in, he just smashed the ball to all corners of the ground. He played equally well towards the leg side and offside as well, and his reverse sweep, normal sweep, his hits over mid wicket, hits flicks, so all his range he exhibited yesterday, and it was his best innings in IPL history, I would say. He played a few in the 2014 season, if you might remember. That was also played in UAE due to general elections. The UAE leg he dominated, but since then he has not replicated that kind of form. But I hope this has to be the catalyst for greater things to come. And what could we say about AB de Villiers? 74 runs of 36 balls, which included 5 gigantic sixes. So it was a great performance, and such sort of gems are nowadays expected by AB. He didn't take much consideration into the pitch, and as he had said after the post-match presentation, that he saw the batting by Maxwell, and he just realized that even though pundits and other people are saying that outside perception is that 150 160 score is enough on this pitch, we couldn't get more than that. But the hitting of Maxwell changed his mindset, and he's naturally an aggressive player too, so he doesn't need second invitation to go for the ball. There were some baffling captaincy decisions, to be honest, by Owen Morgan. So he didn't give Varun Chakravarti another over despite taking 2 wickets. Shakib Al Hasan went for plenty in his last 3 overs, but the first over he bowled was pretty tight, so he also was underutilized. Harbhajan Singh bowling the 19th over, that was also a very I would say clumsy decision, and ABD just pounced on him. 19 or 20 runs of the over, I don't remember. And Andre Russell giving away 38 runs in the 2 overs. Uh, ABD just exhibiting his range. The shot he just was below his waist, and he just guided down towards the third man. That was my favorite shot of the AB innings yesterday. So the tempo was set. 204 all in all. I thought there was 90% chance that RCB was going to defend it. Shubman Gill came out all guns blazing, played a couple of good shots over point and mid wicket, but Kylie Jamieson got him out. Dan Christian, who came in as a substitute fielder in place of Glenn Maxwell, took a magnificent catch to dismiss him. Then again, Rahul Tripathi also played some good shots, but got out. Chahal, after going wicketless for 2 matches, got 2 wickets. Dinesh Karthik's poor form also continued. He, just like last season, continues to struggle against leg spinners. Last season also Chahal got him out. LBW, and this season also Chahal was got him out. It was his first wicket. Andre Russell did shown some intent in the last over, hitting Chahal for 20 runs, but that was a good move by Virat because they had runs in the bank, and just 1 wicket could have sealed the game. And 44 runs were needed in 2 overs, and Mohammad Siraj, still there was a bit of pressure, bowled 4 Yorkers consecutively and then a bouncer, and just gave away single on the last ball. That was the best over of his career, in my estimate. The first 4 balls were very crucial. We know how destructive Andre Russell can be. The innings he played at Chinnaswamy 2 years ago, where he single-handedly took KKR to victory against RCB, scored 48 runs of 13 balls. So you can never know with Andre Russell, and he was just beginning to find his touch. So all in all, a great performance by RCB. Harshal Patel bowled his slower off cutters and bowled his variation Yorker slower ones brilliantly once again. 10 on 10 for him as well. Brilliant 3 matches. It augurs well for the RCB. First time in their history, as I said earlier in the video, they have won 3 out of 3. So fingers crossed, this might be the year of RCB. So and KKR needs to ponder over their batting order, because Owen Morgan didn't show, just showed his glimpses but got out at the wrong time, and Shakib Al Hasan also scored a decent amount of runs, but not at a good strike rate, so that was detrimental to KKR's cause. So all in all, a good bowling by KKR. Sorry, beg your pardon. Good bowling by RCB to restrict KKR and win by 38 runs. So good going to RCB. All the best in the tournament, and KKR needs to do a lot of thinking. We will meet in the Marathi video of this match. Till then, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and place the bell icon to get all the notification. I'll see you later. Bye.